Ever find yourself typing struct over and over in your C programs? It can get repetitive, right? Let's explore how typedef can simplify your code and make it more readable. In C, typedef allows you to create a new name, or alias, for an existing data type. Think of it as giving a nickname to a complex type to make your code cleaner. Imagine you're working with a structure to represent a point in 2D space. Without typedef, every time you declare a variable of this type, you'd have to write struct point p1. It works, but repeatedly typing struct can be tedious. By using typedef, you can create an alias for struct point like this. Now you can declare variables like this. Much cleaner, right? You can also define and create the alias in one step like this. This way, you don't even need to name the struct. Point becomes your new type. Using typedef with structs offers several benefits. Your code becomes easier to read and maintain. You avoid the repetitive use of the struct keyword. It provides a consistent way to refer to complex data types. Suppose you're managing user profiles in a social media app. You might define a structure like this. Now, whenever you need to create a new user profile, you can simply write user profile user1. It's straightforward and keeps your code clean. In summary, typedef is a powerful tool in C that helps you create aliases for complex data types, making your code more readable and maintainable. By using typedef with structs, you can write cleaner code and focus more on the logic rather than the syntax. Want to dive deeper into C programming and other topics? Explore our hands-on courses at Educative, where learning is interactive and frustration-free. See you next time.